Mabuhay Madayaw, maayong buntag sa tanan, and welcome to our edition for today's Pep Talks. I'm Ian Garcia, your moderator, and we have two batches of guests today, but we're going to welcome first our first set of guests. We have with us our friends from LifeWave. To my right, we have the Executive Director of LifeWave, Mr. Tito Nuestro. Good morning. And we also have with us the Elite Senior Presidential Director of LifeWave, Mr. Rick De Luca. May buntag and welcome to Pep Talks. And we also have with us the Mindanao LifeWave partner, Dr. Terry Umson. May buntag and welcome to Pep Talks. So we're going to talk first about LifeWave, no? Because even myself, I don't really have much idea about LifeWave. So maybe we could start with Sir Tito and tell us more about your product and your company.
Yeah. Hello, good morning everyone. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Kami po ay galing sa Amerika a few days ago, and then we launched LifeWave. LifeWave company is a technology, is a wellness technology. It's beyond imagination that this technology really existing right now. A lot of people don't realize there's a lot of alternative solution for any health issue that we have. Kung ano yung mga daram ng mga tao, may mga technology na existing na makatulong. And LifeWave isa na yun. So, ang LifeWave technology is na-discovered 2004 pa. So, 20 years old na yung company. It's not a new company. But the good thing about our company is we keep on innovating every year. And last 2019, we discovered, our inventor invented X39. I don't know if you know about stem cells, right? X39 is a technology that will activate our own stem cells. Karamihan ngayon, ang alam natin is stem therapy na we will cost maybe millions of pesos. America cost maybe $50,000. Etong technology na to, you don't need to spend that kind of money kasi it's very affordable. Parang you're just drinking a cup of coffee every single day and it will give you an optimum health, which is really important right now. A lot of people are looking to stay healthy, become beautiful, younger, right? So, and we have this technology I'm so proud to say that finally it's in the Philippines, and now we just launched it in Davao just 2 days ago, and we're looking for leaders who can help us to expand our crusade to help more Filipino people. That's why we are here multiple times. It's not about us, it's about Filipino people that we can give a better life solution and also better quality of life financially. And that's all. Yeah.
And maybe you can ask Rick about how does this work? How does what do you call this? The patch work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for having me. Yes, we're excited to be here in the Philippines. And how this works is very similar to acupuncture, but without the needles. It's a patch, a nanotechnology patch that will lay on your skin. It'll create frequency to the meridian points and tell the brain what to do. And it's all communicated through the science of David Schmidt that created this technology for the U.S. Navy SEALs in 2001. So 2 years it's been with the Navy SEALs, with the American Army. And 2004 is when it went out to the public. Now we're over 100 countries around the world. We did over close to $600 million last year in business. We're going to be $1 billion company this year. Like Tito said, we're coming out with new innovative products. We're going to come out with a water machine that's going to revolutionize the industry where it helps with arthritis. It's a health wellness company, and it's the average and ordinary person's best chance to open up their own business here in the Philippines. We're excited about that.
You mentioned arthritis. Now, speaking of science, so this is backed by science and
Yes.
medicine, right? Maybe you can ask Dr. Terry to tell us more. What type of conditions or health conditions can it help cure or alleviate the pain?
Okay, as we know, stem cell is very powerful. We all have stem cells, okay? And the role of stem cell is to fix whatever is wrong in your body. Automatic yun, no? Wala siyang pili na, I'm just going to work for headache, or I'm just going to work for arthritis, or I'll just go work for the heart. No. Whatever your problem is, it's going to find a way to fix it. So our patches will help activate your own stem cell. No animals involved. Okay? So, yung sarili mong stem cell, i-activate niya. Kasi habang tumatanda din tayo, kumukunti na yung production natin ng stem cells. So, this product, pag pinatch mo, like si Rick, pinatch niya, mag-interact yan sa body heat mo. Okay? So, ang isang ano dito is, it could help you in almost any problem. So far, we have many documented testimonies. Gumaling sila, may mga ngipin, arthritis, yung mga naoperahan, healing. Those in pain, especially pain. A lot of people in pain. So sa arthritis, o mga knee pains and joints, it will help you just patch it, but you have to drink water. Because water will make it travel. Okay? And then, give it like a few seconds or a minute, then it will dissipate. It's going to either lessen the pain or give it more time, it's going to remove the pain. You forget about it. That is my personal experience with the patch. That's why I went to LifeWave after my retirement because I'm a user. I believe in the product. It has worked for me. Actually, my knee has, if you see, I have patches on my knee because, I have cane. Earlier this morning, I had difficulty to stand up. But I put the patches. So I brought the cane just in case. But I'm better now. I just gave it time. So, a lot of us are stressed. Even at the back, di ba, ang daming mga sakit sa likod or hangin. So, maglagay lang ng patch. So, that's how we explain it to the people, no? So, it has no animal involved and it will help a lot in different situation of the body, health concerns.
All right. Okay. Would you like to add some more?
Yes, Dr. Maria is very right about the technology. What it is there's over 100 clinical studies, over 100 and some, I think 130 clinical studies so far since 2004. They've been doing clinical studies over and over on every product is double-blind clinical studies. So they proved that if they put 100 people in the room, they will see the results by doing a double-blind clinical study with the Silent Night patch for sleep. If someone has a sleep issue, for pain, for stress is the number one killer. Everyone has stress. And the number one product that is now out is X39 that took 10 years to make and over $4.5 million in investment that David created this X39 that Tito was talking about and Dr. Maria was talking about that activates all your stem cells in your body that are dormant. Yeah, that's the one. So that's the flagship product. So Tito can probably talk a little bit more about that.
Okay. Since we mentioned that our company's technology, all the patches that we have, this is one of the product we have, but this is the flagship product of our company, and this is backed by science, backed by clinical study. If you go to YouTube, type in LifeWave, let's say LifeWave dementia, LifeWave Parkinson's, LifeWave diabetes, you can see all the testimonials through there. You will see real people telling what happened to them when they use our technology. Some is so good to be true, but it's really true. It's parang posible yata, pats lang nakakatulong. I mean, even my dad, he was 84 years old, meron siyang chronic knee arthritis. I'm sure familiar sa mga matatanda na mahirap makalakad. With using one patch, my dad can walk in 5 seconds. He has this problem for so many years. Even his doctor told him, I'm sorry, Mr. Nuestro, we cannot help you anymore. You have to live with your pain. Can you imagine if you're in pain and your doctor told you that, I'm sorry, wala na kang magagawa, you have to live with your pain? Can you imagine what kind of life you have? So with this technology, nakatulong sa daddy ko, kaya it's really thankful to my friend Rick who introduced me this technology. And the same thing, I want to pay forward to all of you guys in Philippines na sana you give a chance to look into this technology, and maybe it will give you a better way of life, how to have a better living better in Philippines. Kasi mga Pilipino, most people go OFW, right? And if you only know what kind of sacrifice they have, kanilang perang ginastos. And I was surprised being working sa Hong Kong, somebody told me last night, kumikita lang ng 30,000 pesos. That's only $500 per month. And here, if you really focus, if you see this opportunity for you guys, you can make that $500 in a week. In a week, even part time. You don't need to keep your job. Try to share, and you will see. It's the opportunity is so huge sa Philippines. Kaya ako gusto I keep on coming back here to help more people that was willing to check this out and be open minded. That's all I can say. So this is an opportunity. I don't want you to miss it. All right.
Yes, Doc.
Yung patches, no, it's very safe because it's externally placed, no. It will not affect and it will not pass your liver. It will not pass your kidneys. You don't drink anything except water. It's that safe and that effective. Okay.
And it will not interfere with the medications that you take, does it?
Yeah,
No.
that's a good. Yeah, that's a good. Dr. Maria is right about that. It's non-transdermal, so nothing enters the body, and there's no side effects. And you can still take your medicine, of course. Follow your doctor's order. This could be on the side. You can put this, simultaneously together, and get great results.
If your stem cell will be, duplicated much in your body, maybe later on you'll get well through your stem cell, not through your medicine.
All right. So maybe nabay mga pangutana from our media friends, Carlo.
Mamaya later, we would like to do some demonstrations kung sino may mga pain dito. We'll see if it works for you. And we have some samples we can give. Kung mga willing na gusto i-try, we'll give you some sample and you can tell us what really you feel in 1 minute.
Okay,
And
we
you
have
it a-
Carlo from Kadangpan.
All right, good morning to our honorable guests at this juncture. And I suppose last Wednesday, as you know, they were the guests for that, and we have tried it already. So, parang wala lang. It's just like normal to me, and I feel great because every day we had, of course, as just like the rest of us, we had the coverage, and all of a sudden we hurt our backs and some pains, but nevertheless, when trying the product, it really works as usual. But I like to ask, of course, to reiterate my question from Wednesday, how complacent and how proven it is that almost all of the pains that will be good, like for 12 hours, they say, for that kind of medicine.
Actually, if you have pain, it's inflammation. Just imagine, we have a flow of energy in our body, right? Pag may blockage yan, inflammation will come in and you have pain. And this technology will release that blockage in your body. That's why it gives signal to your brain para, kung ano yung problema, it will subside the inflammation. But of course, this is not a magic patch. We don't want to tell that, this single patch will make you fly or make you like, but all we can say is try the patch and tell me your story because everybody's different. I can patch Ian here, probably to work in 1 minute. Maybe I patch this gentleman here, maybe it takes 5 minutes, or maybe doctor will take 1 day. So everybody's different. Parang doctor, diba? When you're sick, what do they give you? Antibiotics. Why 7 days? Did you have any idea why 7 days? They want to make sure this drug will work. That's why in 4 days you have to you should feel something good, right? Pag hindi wala pa rin nangyari, what do you think the doctor will do? Will change the medicine. It's the same thing here. You just keep on, kasi we can talk 24 hours the benefits of this product, but if you're not willing to try it, wala kang magagawa. The best thing is try. Like what happened to him. I mean, all the people last Wednesday everybody's in pain. Everybody's like, they're so happy about it. Kahit kami rin. Until now, for 13 years, I'm doing this one, I'm still amazed sa technology. Minsan, umiiyak na lang sa harapan yung pinatsa, umiiyak na lang bigla. Ba't kayo umiiyak manang, alam mo, Noy, 40 years ko nang inihina itong pain na ito, iyan ko naramdam mo walang pain. Can you imagine? We make a difference on people's lives here. It's not about the money. It's about what you can do to help other people. Dito, right now, what are your purpose is to awareness, right? That's what you're doing. The same thing with what we're doing.
Okay, more questions? Sige, I'll just ask another question. Does it need prescription from a doctor
No.
if you want to take it? And how do you avail of the patch? Where can you get it?
Okay, no prescription needed. Okay, because the stem cell is already in your body, it will just activate. Okay? Meron siyang GHQ copper. And that one, nung pag pinatch mo yan, ma-activate niya yung stem cell nyo sa loob. Dadami. No? And then, this is distributed through LifeWave partners. No? So, you can get in touch with me. We have also a string of people who are signing up already. So I hope that you will join us in this journey of LifeWave kasi this is a very, very new technology. We're very lucky that we have it already here in Mindanao kasi nauna sa Luzon. As usual, di ba? So nauna ang Luzon, Visayas, so dito tayo sa Mindanao. But you know, these two guys from the US, they told me, no, we're going there in Davao. No fear, di ba? Lipad sila dito and you know, to join us and to help explain, no, the product. There is a business side to it. But again, no, the product to help people with problems, health conditions, and also especially yung in pain talaga. Kasi ako personally yung pain. No, malaking tulong. And then, kung may headache kayo, patch lang ninyo dyan kung saan yung headache. Sometimes under the hair, I place. Pag naninigas na yung ano ko, kasi meron din kaming condition sa family na blood clotting. My dad died of aneurysm. So, what I do is, pag medyo parang I feel uncomfortable, parang mabigat na yung ulo ko, I put patch X39 underneath my hair. No? And isa pang findings doon for some who use the X39 sa hair, dumadami ang buhok. Isang effect yun, hindi na nag-grow ang hair. So, may testimonial at saka may mga pictures. It's all in the website. No, you can check it out. It's there. So, marami siyang natutulungan. So, we're very happy that LifeWave is here already in the Philippines and especially in Mindanao. Kasi, bakit tayo mahuhuli? Everybody may health conditions din tayo, mga health issues. So, it's about time, no, that we have this kind of technology with us here in Mindanao. And that's why we also asked to be part of the press conference, no? We need you guys to spread the word. And yun nga, Tito offered to, have free patching, especially if you have pain right now, you will immediately, you can test it out, no? Because he has the patches with him. You can test it out later on and you tell your story, no? Para makita ninyo na hindi kami basta nag-claim. Meron talagang effect sa body, no? So yun yung kagandahan nito, and we're offering these patches through our brand partners here in Mindanao. But you can also meet somebody. But share this to your family, those in pain, to your friends with health issues, even people with cancer. Some of them are using this. Okay? Kasi cancer, may pain din yan eh. Ganun, no? So may mga yan. So may mga testimonial and case to case. Okay, you have to observe your body. Okay, how you respond.
Beautiful. Yes, I wanted to go back to what Tito was saying. Pain, inflammation is pain. And this patch that came out in 2011 will balance out your autonomic nervous system in 1 minute. This is already a clinical study. This cannot be disputed because it's already proven that it works. Every person that has pain has inflammation. This will lower inflammation, so that would mean that your pain will subside. Like Tito was saying, when a doctor gives you let's say Tylenol for a head, let's say 5 people have headaches, and we give someone Tylenol, Advil, and some other different kind of pain relief. Not everybody will get the same results, because not everyone has different toxins in her body that needs to be shifted out of the way. Because this is energy medicine. So what this does will push the energy and reduce inflammation. But like Dr. Maria said, you got to drink water. 70% of our body is water. Most people are dehydrated. They're not hydrated enough. So what we like to do, just if we can, anybody that has pain, we would like to give you a free sample. And you be the judge. You tell us how you feel. So if we could do that, that'll be great.
Maybe just to add, no, I'm sure people are curious how much does the patch cost, and can you reuse that, or it's
Yes,
disposable?
that's a good question. And I'm sure even in America, they always say it's too expensive. I'm pretty sure you will say, mahal naman yan. Ang cost ng patch is a cost of coffee a day. So magkano bang peso ngayon? Kasi the peso fluctuates, right? So ang 57.50, right? So I think the one whole pack we sell it in the States is $99.95. I mean, yeah, $100. Sa inyo yata may VAT, yung parang tax. So I think they add 12%. I think $119 yata per. There's 30 pieces. There's 30 pieces in an envelope. So in other words, if you divide it to 30, so you will know the cost. So we have retail cost and we have a wholesale cost. If you decide to be a brand partner like us, then you get wholesale price. You save $50 per. So you save like $50, 50 pesos per dollar. So you'll be saving 2,500 sa isang pakete. But the good thing about it is, if you become our brand partner, we will give you your own free website that you can share. If you're good in social media, you never know. If you have 1,000 followers, tell your story. Oh, I want to try the product. You have the website. They can just go to your website and they can purchase it. The company will send it to them. You don't need to buy it. They will send it to you, to your clients. And when they buy, then company will compensate you. So parang libre na yung patch nyo. Yeah, yun. But so we will give you all the details later on if you decide to be part of our. Actually, I'll be honest with you, we are looking for people who wants to be like Dr. Therese here. Help her to build this in Davao. I mean, whoever read my lips. I mean, itong sasabihin ko, totoo ito. If you're not gonna do it, somebody will do it. But you don't want to say yourself, oh, nandun ako sa isang meeting in the morning and I saw it, I didn't do anything, and now you will hear LifeWave sa whole Davao. So, that's all I can say. I mean, we will do a free patching for you today. Kung may mga pain kayo, then, after this one, we'll do it for you. And you be the judge. Right? Ang cost is,
It's 9,000 for that. 30 pieces of patches in one sleeve. That's good for around a month or a little bit more. It depends on how you use it. And then, that's the stem cell. We have non-stem cell patches that cost 8,000 per.
But you can only use it once, or can you reuse it?
That's a good question. You can use it once a day, 12 hours on, 12 hours off. You cannot use it 24 hours. Kasi ang body natin kailangan mag-heal then magpahinga. So if you do it consistently every single day, minimum 3 months, I would say 3 months to 6 months, ang sa mga babae, mapapansin nila, they look younger, their skin gets better. Even guys too. I mean, it's age reversal ang aming technology. It's not only anti-aging, it's age reversal. I mean, napansin sa Amerika, even 30 years old are having a lot of anxiety, depression, stress, and I'm sure sa Pilipinas ganun din, and this really helps a lot. I mean, we have to take care of our health because health is wealth. You make a lot of money right now, but believe me or not, health is very important in our life.
All right. Okay, so on that note, I'd like to thank again Sir Tito, Rick, and Doc Terry for joining us and giving us information about LifeWave.
Sure.
And hopefully we can get to know more information about your product later on. So thank you so much for joining us this morning. Thank you very much. And now we will have our so yan, continue na lang na. We'll have our next set of guests from our friends from Eden Nature Park, Panorama Summit Hotel, Waterfront Insular Hotel, Park Inn by Radisson Davao, Montefrio Garden Resort, and Club Samal. Tawad ako magkasya ba ito diri?
Share lang niya,
Dali. Kisapay, join us here. Check attendance. Kompleto ba? Kasya. Kasya rin eh. Mga pitit man din sila. Okay na? Na-mic na. Where's the mic? Ay, nabadiya. Mas taas na, no? Okay, we'll start from Waterfront. Introduce yourself and tell us something about your property or unsa ba yun yung gina-promote. Ay, sorry, from sa gani ka? Panorama, sorry, Panorama. Okay, we'll start from Panorama. Nice sound. The other one. Okay, again, mabuhay madaya. We're now on our second set of guests here at Pep Talks. We'll start with our friend from Panorama. We have Charles Soriano. Charles,
May buntag. Mabuhay madayaw. Good morning, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Charles from Panorama Summit Hotel. I am the Senior Sales Account Executive, and together with me is our F&B Manager, Mr. Jerry Lau. So right now in Panorama Summit Hotel, this is my second time here in Pep Talk. So for everybody's information, yung hindi pa nakakakilala kay Waterfront na tuloy. Kay Panorama Summit Hotel is located at Tigato Road, Kilometer 7, Buhangin, Davao City. So we have 98 rooms in total, and we are the nearest hotel in Davao sa airport. So in Panorama Summit Hotel, we also have our junior Olympic size pool, 10 meters wide and 22 meters long, 4 to 5 feet deep, open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. We also offer day tours for non-checking in guests for only 230 pesos on weekdays and 290 pesos for weekends. And for our sports enthusiasts, we also have our tennis court and pickleball court, avail at 200 pesos per hour and operating from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 350 per hour with lights. And for our pickleball is also available for 200 pesos per hour. And this araw ng Davao, we're also happy to announce that we have our room promo for only 2,025 with breakfast good for two. And then next is we have our New Orleans Cafe as well. We offer Filipino comfort food. We have putot dinuguan. We also have our arroz caldo, which is my favorite, with tokwat baboy. And our best seller are Batangas Lomi. So our chicken mami also is 200 pesos only, and putot dinuguan for only 220. Chicken arroz caldo for only 250 pesos, and Batangas Lomi for 350. We also have our Sky Bar. So, every day po siya open, bali, starting from 6 p.m. to 12 midnight. We also have our happy hour promos. We have the Heineken beer bucket 5+1 for only 750 pesos. And next is our San Miguel beer with free finger food for only 600 pesos and cocktail tower mix. With also finger food na din ito siya. So, for our cocktail tower, we have a choice of Tequila Sunrise, Blue Hawaiian, and Mojito. And for our finger food, cheese sticks, French fries, and spicy crispy tofu. May copy talaga, di ba? Mahirap na baka makalimutan. And next is our meeting rooms. For our meeting rooms, we have consumable for only 5,000 pesos. Good for 4 hours na po yan siya. And for the function rooms as well, we can accommodate 80 to 150 guests. Then we can also offer our best rates for live-in and live-out seminars. So for our government and corporate rates, we have 2.4, 2.6, and 2.8. So that is already full board. So very affordable po yan siya. And we also arrange transportation din po sa Panorama. We have a coaster for big groups and our Grandia for smaller groups. And aside from that, I am also happy to announce our partnership with Montefrio Garden Resort for only 10,750 pesos for 2 nights. So 1 night at Panorama Summit Hotel and 1 night at Montefrio Garden Resort. So with breakfast na din yan siya, and kasali na yung shuttle service natin. So it's very affordable. Kung i-compare nyo po kung kayo lang yung magpunta, pwede naman siya, pero medyo pricey din kung wala kayong sasakyan. So, book now at Panorama Summit Hotel kung gusto nyo pong ma-experience yung Summit Freeze package namin. So, ito po yun siya yung promo namin for our partnership with Montefrio Garden Resort. And then, before I forget, we also have our chill and grill. You can experience our buffet barbecue. So, yung inspiration po ng chill and grill ni Panorama Summit Hotel is parang night market sa Rojas, but in a different way na you will enjoy your chill and grill under the night with the shining stars. So, yun lang. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Nagutom pa sa report ni Charles, no?
Maraming pagkain.
Magang menu nila, yeah, na-share.
Yes. So, thank you so much,
Thank you so much
Ian,
for sharing
having
with us. And of course, we have from Parkin by Radisson Davao, Thea Ledesma. Thea?
Good morning, everyone. Mabuhay Umadayaw. As mentioned, I am Thea Ledesma, Marketing and Communication of Parkin by Radisson Davao. So for those who are not quite familiar with our hotel, it's just right across SM Lanang. Right across. So we are a 202 hotel room, and we have function rooms, we have restaurants, and we have our wellness floor, which has our pool bar, and our fitness center. So this araw ng Davao, we are very excited to welcome everyone to join us and to enjoy our Dabawenyo Budol Fight. So this is, I'm sorry. So this is our poster for the Budol Fight. So it's very ideal for groups of 5, friends, family, your colleagues, and it includes a variety of dishes. So meron tayong lechon kawali, grilled tuna panga, and our personal favorite is Ilonggo style na adobo. So why is it Ilonggo style? As per our sous chef, Chef Vance Bolivar, Ilonggo style siya, it is because it is cooked with ginger and annatto oil. So it's one of our recommended dishes then. So it also has fruits and a choice of beverage. So the set is priced at 4,550 pesos. So as mentioned, that's good for 5 persons, and it's available until June 30, 2025. So even if Arana Davao has passed now, you can still enjoy this Budol set. And in addition to that one, so on March 16, it's the concert of Martin and Pops Fernandez, the Always and Forever concert. So for the concert goers, we have a special discount. You just need to show your ticket. So you have 10% discount on the Dabawenyo Budol Fight. And if you want something smaller, you can also order from our a la carte menu. So you can avail this offer until the concert date, which is March 16. So for further inquiries or inquiries, you can connect with us through our Facebook. It's facebook.com/Parkin by Radisson Davao, or at Instagram at Parkin Davao. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Tay. And now we have from Waterfront Isar Hotel, Alec, no? Gonzalez. Thank you. And would like to share with us the good news from your property.
Thank you so much, Sir Ian. Mabuhay madaya, everyone. I am Alec, the Marketing and Communications of Waterfront Insular Hotel Davao. So for the month of March, of course, around Davao, we have our buffet featuring Davao delicacies at only 1 to 8 it. So it is a mixture of our local cuisines cooked na patok sa panlasa ng mga Dabawenyo. So we have Dabawenyo humba, pastries and desserts, of course, with durian. And our room promo for Aranang Davao is 3-6. So that already includes breakfast buffet for 2. And you can visit our property. We have an art exhibit titled Art at Diseño Davao in partnership with Davao Art Collective. So we are featuring the local artists, photographers, designers, and we are open with free admission until March 30. So if you are an enthusiast, feel free to drop by, and our artists will so much appreciate it. And alike with Port Inn, we also have our sets. So hopefully that you have heard of it. So we are one of the first to offer to Slobua here in Davao City. So it is at 999, but it is already good for four. So my puso rice, siya barbecue platter, and our famous lechon baka. But as of the moment, we are also offering an extended version. So it is at 1588. So it comes with barbecue platter, may bulalo na sa sabaw, chicken skin and chicken chicharon, hindi pala, chicharon bulaklak, and soda pitcher. So it is available daily from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. And for the Earth Hour, this March 22, so alike with Panorama, we also have Grills and Greens under the stars. And we have a special performance by a multidisciplinary artist, Mr. Noy Narciso. So featuring his very own instruments na siya mismo ang gagawa. So he will be performing and giving a free workshop. So inclusive na siya with the buffet promo. So the food that we're offering for that night, barbecue, and then may mga salads. So we can also have the chance to play with Mr. Noy Narciso. And then on March 29, in celebration also for National Women's Month, we have Art and Wine. So we'll be painting by the seaside with Miss Maria Bach, another artist here in Davao City. So she'll be giving a workshop also with unlimited wine and cheese platter. And just a quick lang, a soft launching of our Easter Sunday activities. So we will be having Explorer to the Sea and Beyond. So the theme for this year is more on the mermaids and pirates. So we are inviting families and kids. So we have acrobats, game booths, inflatable playground, magicians, painting activities, and a lot more. So we are hoping to see you by next month at the center of it all. And lastly, the much anticipated annual wedding and bridal fair, The Beautiful Beginnings at Waterfront, will be on June 20 to 22. So that's all. And if you have other inquiries or questions, and to keep updated with our promos, you may follow us on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook at Waterfront Davao. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Alec. From Araw ng Davao to June yun na lang. And then we have Claire Escabarte from Montefrio.
Hello, everyone.
Morning.
Mabuhay ug madayaw. I am Helma Claire Escabarte, a Sales and Marketing Associate of Montefrio Garden Resort. So before I get started, let me give you a quick insight about Montefrio Garden Resort. So this resort, they have different kinds of functions, like facilities rather, from function, restaurant, pool, rooms, and of course the first ever closed cable car here in Davao region. And also our rooms, it can accommodate up to 2 packs up to 15 packs, and also our function can cater from 30 packs up to 150 packs. So for the month of March, we have this special offer this is in a celebration of Araw ng Davao and our support also for 88 years strong One Davao. With this, we are offering a 15% discount on all of our room types. And not just that, but I am very excited to announce this one because we are the first ever resort that is offering this kind of package, which is the 3D2N, which is you are going to stay plus day hike at the Mount Apo. This is the combination of room accommodation at the Montefrio Garden Resort and also a day hike at the highest peak of Philippines, which is the Mount Apo. So the price range of this is from 17,000 up to 69,000 depending on how many packs and also what day you are going to avail this package. Because we believe that this kind of package is one of a kind experience for those people who is nature lovers and of course for those people who want a peaceful retreat. And there is another pasabog together with the Panorama Summit Hotel, which is we have this kind of collaboration called the Summit Freeze package. So this one is only 10,750 good for 2 packs already. And this one you can already experience the city life and of course the life in the Highland Cold Breeze. So in this package you are going to spend 1 night at the Panorama Summit Hotel where you can experience the Basel city life and of course all of their attractions that they have to offer. And for the next night, you are going to spend another night at the Montefreo Garden Resort where you can have this tranquil ambience of a cold highland breeze. And not just that, because the transportation is not, you don't have to worry about the transportation since it is already included in the package. So guys, what are you waiting for? Come and visit Montefreo Garden Resort. So thank you.
Thanks, sir. Before we proceed, curious lang kung yung
Yes,
Mount
sir.
Apo Day hike. It's from, asa mo sugod? From Montefreo to the peak of Mount Apo?
No, sir, since naman sila gina different.
Trail.
Yes po. So, I think the closest one is Santa Cruz.
From Santa Cruz siya.
Yes, sir.
Hantod sa peak siya maabot.
Yes, sir.
Sige, Jeline, sa katana. Thank you very much for sharing with us. We also have with us from Island Buena Vista, Ayesha Asai. Ayesha, welcome back.
Hello po. Hi, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Yasha, representing the Island Buena Vista. So, the Island Buena Vista is a private island. It's an exclusive island. We do cater exclusive overnight and exclusive day tour. So, for our overnight, our fixed rate is 149,000, good for 10 packs, and 7,800 for the excess. So, maximum of 25 to 30 packs lang po tayo for overnight. For our day tour naman, exclusive day tour, we fixed rate of 50,000, good for 10 packs, then 3,500 naman per excess per person. This is already included na po yung 1 buffet lunch and 1 snack. For overnight, exclusive overnight po, inclusive of full board meals. So, meaning we have 3 buffet meals na po and 2 snacks and full access of the rooms and recreational activities. So, for this Araw ng Davao, 88 Araw ng Davao, we are offering this Weekend Island Getaway promo. So, day tour lang po siya, 3,000 pesos po per person, inclusive na po siya of 1 buffet lunch and a boat transfer round trip from waterfront to the Island Buena Vista. So, if you are enthusiastic po of beaches, you can visit po the Island Buena Vista. So, for bookings and reservations, you can contact us or message us through our Facebook page. Thank you.
Question lang. With regards to your weekend tours to Buena Vista, unsay schedule nyo, ani? Is it every weekend, Sunday, Saturday, Sunday and Saturday, or?
Yes po. For our Weekend Island Getaway promo, we are only available po during Saturdays po. Weekends, every Saturday. So, this March 15 and March 22.
March 15 and 22
Yes,
for this
po.
month.
Yes po. For the departure naman po, 7:30 a.m. po, we will depart na po sa waterfront. Then, 2 p.m. naman po ang departure natin sa island.
Alright, that's something very exciting, no, to look forward as we're getting near to summer. Okay, so karon naman, kani di wata kailanin niya. Of course, our good friend, the marketing manager of Eden Nature Park, Jaline.
Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to Eden Nature Park and Resort, where nature meets adventure. I'm Jaline, and with me are, by the way, members of Davao Hotels Resort Sales and Marketing Association, where we had a recognition last night from the Pasindungog as one of the prime movers of the tourism industry here in the city. So going back to Eden, let's celebrate Araw ng Davao. We have a special buffet feast at the resort for 980 pesos. So you'll get to taste the flavors of Davao. We also have featuring the Kultura Eden, the community-based cultural performers of Eden. So you'll get a glimpse of their cultural performance during lunchtime. And when you avail the guided shuttle tour, you'll get to visit Tinubdan Cultural Village where they are featured sa ang mga roots, the tribes of Davao City. And for the room promo, it's extended until this month, whole month siya. So dili lang siya exclusive for Araw ng Davao. So just like us, the members of the Davao Hotels Resort Sales and Marketing Association are very eager to promote Davao City as we strive for the tourism diri sa ato ang nasod. That's all.
Of course, continue gyapon to pag-promote sa tourism, no? And we're really glad and we're proud, no? And we would like to congratulate your organization for receiving such recognition from the city of Davao. Because over the years, no, we've really seen your efforts, your concern and efforts in promoting tourism here in Davao.
Specifically, we are promoting Davao as a MICE destination.
Yes, of course. And earlier, kami ni Jali, we discussed, we talk about kaning mga ongoing scam karon online.
Yes.
Maybe you'd like to share it to our media friends.
Everyone would like to inform and guide you na be aware of the fake accounts na nag-post karon sa social media, labi na sa Facebook, like our members from the association na naigibuhat na fake accounts with 50% off discount. Please be aware. Please do negotiate and refer to the official Facebook accounts or social media accounts sa mga hotels and resorts diri sa Davao because we do not want na maluoy ta sa tong mga guests na pag-abot sa resort or sa property, wala dahil sila i-booking kasi na scam sila. So please be aware and really negotiate to the kung kinsa man ang sales and reservations office sa property.
Question kay some of those who were scammed or attempted to be scammed kay dili taga Davao, no? Outside of Davao.
Outside of Davao kasi like sample to drop names like for the Island Buena Vista and for the Pearl Farm, they drop it like 50% off which is very eye-catchy na di ba sa kamahal sa property nganong 50% off. But please be aware na dili ta mag-transact ani sila labi na ang payment method is through GCash and lahi ang name, please do transact to the official bank accounts sa mga properties, hotels and resorts.
Unsay mga tips niyo to know na authentic ni
Number
accounts
one,
sa inyong properties?
i-check ninyo ang kung verified siya, kung pila ang mga followers. So kung tulo lang kabuok, tulo, upat followers, so very red flag na kayo siya. And then please check kung mga tama ba ang grammar, ang spelling, ang mga capitalization sa names. And please be note na kapag nag-message mo sila, personal message, makita ninyo ang green flag kay mangayo dayon, pabayron dayon mo. Okay? Please be aware because hotels and resorts na reservation system, nagahatag yun sila og reservation or booking number. And then they will only acknowledge your booking if naka-pay mo sila through the official bank accounts. So dili siya GCash, uban GCash, but please nagahatag yun mi og official receipts or invoices, booking reservation numbers before ma-proceed ang booking.
All right, thank you very much. We should be very wary about that, no? Kaya medyo rampant na siya lately.
Yes, tanan na kayo sila kita. Pabayron dayon ka.
Kasi mas dako pa sa kita kaysa inyo, ha?
Yeah, correct. So please be aware of that. And for our viewers and for our guests, please transact only to the official representative or authorized representative of the hotels and resorts, sales and reservations or booking na office.
All right, thank you very much. Another question from our media friends? Carlo?
Sige. For the sake of time management and also it's Women's Month naman, majority of the guests are women. Yes, so okay, I would like to to Janine, I don't know if you have the liberty to ask this question, to answer the question that I have.
Pang-pageant na ba ni sige?
No. I think this is, despite sa nahitabo karong mga orasa, likely you already know katong remark na ang Mindanao, Sub-Saharan African sa char something. Would you still believe that it will cope up gihapon sa atong tourism sector and katong sa influx sa mga turista but mo check-in sa mga hotel despite sa mga nahitabo and especially katong sa political turmoil nga nasinati sa ato ang syudad ug sa kinatibuk ang Region 11?
Thank you for Char. Thank you for that question. But anyway, we Davaoenos are very resilient from very start. So we bring challenges to our positive side, diba? Like the SM, kung gusto ka makas... Well, anyway, anyone can throw stones at us, but we are very resilient at that. And it's always business as usual. Mas nag-unsay mahitabo sa gawas, we need to cope up with the needed sa mga resource, which is dapat mag-generate gyapon og revenue, and whatever challenges that they may throw to us, we will throw them back with promotions, with unsa may pakulo nato na we are very happy kasi not only the national ang naga-support, the number one supporter sa Davao City are the neighboring regions and cities. So one Mindanao siya. So actually, to be honest, Carl, when you say about the day tour na patronage, sa mua, dagbabaagid siya. But with the help and support with our neighboring regions and cities, sila tong nagasulod sa Davao, we are still alive. We are still working. And I believe that kung unsa man tong mga challenges karon sa city, we will still move forward. Because in the end of the day, we are serving our city. And basta, we celebrate the Araw ng Davao with resilience, with pride, with grace. And we are Davaoenos. Who can question that? Whatever they throw at us, we can face it.
Last na lang on my end before na sa ubang media ng mangutana, cause it is Women's Month, it's the women empowerment. Iyapin nato si Charlie because for equality raman. I'd like to ask if any of you can answer what are the best practices for the hotels and resorts that manages gender equality and also being inclusive to promote women empowerment against such kind of illicit acts, including those who are promoting the gender in the development and for keeping themselves from harm na violations sa RA 11313.
So ang question nimo is unsa amo ang mga initiatives? Okay, first of all, we respect all genders, and actually we really don't quote me, personal lang na ako na, wala kami big deal because everyone is welcome with our properties. So, when you say about the restroom siguro, we are very sensitive naman and we are open naman din. So, I don't think there is an issue between the resorts and hotels here in the Davao when it comes to Women's Month. We're all equal. Kung unsay mabuhat sa lalaki, mabuhat sa babae. Unsay mabuhat sa babae, mabuhat po sa lalaki. But of course, mga anak lang ang wala gyud. But generally speaking, Davaoenos are very respectful sa tanan, all genders across. And I can say that even sa mga properties, there is always support. Even like kung makita nimo no, dili na kay individualistic ang mga properties karon. So we have this collaboration among hotels and resorts. Even with katong sa issue sa gender, dili kay namo siya. Ang focus namo karon is partnerships, collaborations towards the one goal of promoting the city and the region of itself.
Salamat. Yes, anyone who would like to share their thoughts on that? From the honorary woman.
So to add to that, sa giingon ni Ma'am Jeline, especially sa amo ang property sa Panorama, so me as part of the Rainbow community, well, among general manager, kita man jud tanan naman jud ka ng mga rules and regulations na gina-follow sa hotel, pero when it comes to our gender identity, especially sa HUA, sa akong department, gina-allow ko sa amo ang management na to show what I am capable. Right now, for example, the way what I wear, so wala ko nila gina-restrict as long as kaya siya nga makita nimo nga mura gini respetuhon gyapon ka sa mga tao as long as kanang wala po kay kanang ginadautan, and then at the same time you just need to do your job na kanang with dignity and pride as a Davaoenyo. Yun lang.
Very well said. Bitaw no ka, at the end of the day, ang gina-expect man sa tuwa is to deliver katong dapat himuon nato our responsibilities in our job, whether you're a man or a woman. Revenue, negosyo. Yes, napatay question. Yeah, Gio?
Hello. A question sa Panorama. Sir, yung Fritz package, sir, is it new ba? From the partnership nyo recently with Montefrio?
Yes, sir. It is new. So, nag-launch kami nung March 4 together with the Montefrio team, sales and marketing team, with the son of the owner, Mr. Luis Salazar. So, bago siya. So, yung focus po namin is, aside from promoting the city life here in Davao, we would also like to highlight promoting the life in the highlands. So, especially sa mga Davaoenyos or tourists or foreigners na would like to experience a new type of adventure. So we have this kind of offering, which is our summer freeze package. So bago lang jud siya gi-launch. So I hope na katong mga gusto mag-explore na naka-complete package na siya, pwede ninyo siya ma-avail through Panorama Summit Hotel and Montefrio Garden Resort, sir. Then very affordable na po yung 10,750 with shuttle service and breakfast. Good for 2 person for both properties.
Okay. Ang duration ng package nito, sir, is around ng Davao?
So, yung duration namin, sir, is hindi lang po siya sa araw ng Davao. So, parang, ano lang yun siya, sir, for good for the whole year na po ito siya na promotion. So, you can avail this one by visiting our page, Panorama Summit Hotel, and also the page of Montefrio Garden Resort. So, all throughout the year po yung promotion namin for the summer freeze.
Okay. Last question na lang din. Do you have plans to make it annual ba?
Probably, sir, pero we will coordinate with both properties po muna before we decide kung ano po yung dapat namin i-release with regarding to this po.
Sige po. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Gio. Do we have more questions? So before we wrap things up, no, babe, are there any things that you would like to add? Any more statement? Pang-araw na Davao.
Ako jud ma. So, for everyone who would like to visit Panorama Summit Hotel, you can visit our Facebook page and our website. And aside from, I would like to add up lang din. So, aside from promoting our properties, I would like to promote na we Davaoenyo should be resilient and to focus on positive things, especially right now, this araw ng Davao. Despite of the happenings right now here in Davao City, I think we should be resilient and focus on positive things that would promote our city and the whole Davao region.
Thank you very much. Thea?
Thank you. Hello. Thank you once again for inviting me here, Sir Ian. So, once again, we look forward to welcome all of you to our property, Park Inn by Radisson Davao. It's very near lang, right across SM Lanang. And yeah, we hope to continue to welcome you as well for the rest of the year. Thank you.
Thanks, Tay. Alec?
So we are welcoming you also at the center of it all, not just at Waterfront Insular Hotel Davao, but here in Davao City because we are also the center of everything. We have rich culture, we have, diba, masarap mga pagkain natin sa Davao, and we have lots of choices. And speaking of culture, marami tayong pwede ma-discover, especially with the tribes here in Davao City na, especially during this celebration, we are celebrating our city. So, aside from being resilient, we should also be very proud for standing strong all throughout. Yun lang. Thank you so much.
It's clear?
So, of course, it is very thankful nga na po dan hiya karon. So, guys, I am inviting you all to the Montefrio Garden Resort because we will going to ensure you na maghimo mi og another package, exciting package, and of course, mag-offer offer me another discounts and promos na, of course, ma-enjoy ninyo tanan. That's all.
Thank you. Yesha?
So this araw ng Davao, I invite you and hope to see you at the Island Buena Vista, your own private island. Thank you.
Thank you. Angeline?
Eden Nature Park and Resort, where nature meets adventure. Everyone, we welcome you to Davao City, where islands to highlands enjoy the life is here.
Thank you very much. Ang atong mga kandidata sa Butan ng Davao. Thank you very much for joining us today. Our friends from HRSMA, of course, and our media friends. Salamat. And we'll see you again in 2 weeks for Pep Talks. Mabuhay madayaw, may buntag sa tanan.